To solve this using a partial product where I add in the middle, I'm first going to start by multiplying 4 by every digit in my first factor. I'm not going to put the parentheses on the side, but if I were to do that, that would be a step 2, using partial products with the parentheses. So I have 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 5 tens is 20 tens, or 200. 4 times 6 hundreds is 24 hundreds, or 2,400. And 4 times 3,000 is 12,000. So I'm going to stop here and add all of these together. And that gives me 14,608. From here, I'm going to multiply each of my digits in 3,652 by 90, because this 9 represents 9 tens. So 9 tens times 2 is 180. 9 tens times 5 tens is 45 hundreds, which has a value of 4,500. 9 times 6 hundreds, again this is 9 tens, times 6 hundreds is 54 thousands, which has a value of 54,000. Again, making sure I'm lining up all of my place values. And 9 tens times 3 thousands is 24 10,000s, which has a value of 270,000. So now I can add these together. I have 8 ones and 8 tens. 6 and 6 more is 12. I'm going to regroup 10 of those hundreds to become 1,000. That's 4, 8, 12, and 1 more is 13 thousands. Regroup 10 of those become 1 10,000. 7 and 7 is 14 10,000s. Regroup 10 of those become 100,000. So I have 343,288. To estimate my answer to make sure it is reasonable, I'm going to use number lines. And the midpoint is going to help me decide if I stay at the tens or thousands that I am at, or if I need to go to the next 10 or 1,000. 90, I'm going to round to the nearest 10, so that is going to be 90. And I'm going to round 3,652 to the nearest 1,000. However, I could choose to round to the nearest 100 and do between 3,600 and 3,700. And this is closer to 4,000. So I'll be doing 90 times 4,000. 9 times 4 is 36. Tens times thousands is 10,000s. So I will have 360 thousands. Go ahead and pause the video after you have this new problem, and you can unpause it when you're ready to check. 7,134 times 63. Again, you're going to use step 4, which is where you add your ones all together before you move on to multiplying by your tens. Now that you have solved this problem, your answer is 449,442. And again, I estimated by rounding to the greatest place value for each of those numbers. And that gave me 420,000, which is a reasonable estimate.